Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I'm Sergi Nicolas and today I'm going to show you how to change your wheels and bearings on your streetboard. The only thing that you need is a T2. Now let's start. First, you have to take your wheels off. One off and the same with the other three. So now we have the four wheels off, and the next step is putting the new bearings on your axles. The best way for me to do it is put two bearings inside of the axle, get the brand new wheel, put it into the bearing, and there's already one inside. You flip the wheel, and then the wheel has the bearing already inside. So we got the last wheel, the two bearings on the axle, put the wheel in, we got one bearing in, flip the wheel, push again, and we got another bearing on. So now we just put the nut, the last nut, then we get the tool, T2, we put it with all the way, there we go, and that's it. So this is it, guys. The bearings and the wheels has been changed and the board is ready to go and hit the streets. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it helped you out on how to change bearings and wheels. Peace out. Phew.